The pre-crop feature in Shutterstream 360 product photography software is going to save users a lot of time and effort spent in post-production image editing. Let's go ahead and enable crop. You will see the button will turn blue. Then what we want to do is on our live view window, go ahead and define the area that we wish to shoot. After we've done so, it will only take a picture of what's inside that area that we just defined. Now, taking things one step further, let's take a look at our crop options. We click the three little dot icon in the bottom of the crop button. We will move this to the side here. We're going to see there's a few different options inside of here for the actual crop itself, in which we can define how it's going to be applied. For instance, what I just did was rectangular freeform. You can see any width or height orientation you require. For a lot of users, they do require images at 1:1. That is a perfect square. If you enable this, as you see when you go ahead and drag and drop your crop, it will define at a 1:1 ratio. Users can also define a custom ratio. For instance, maybe images on your website or your 360 product views need to be, say, 9:16. Let's go ahead and define that. And pardon me, I'll probably do 16:9 because I'm shooting a rectangular object. When we do that, when we go ahead and drag our crop, you're going to see it's constrained to a 16:9 ratio. And then the last thing you can do is actually define a custom size via X and Y axis and or width and height. Now let's go back to our rectangular freeform crop here. We will define our crop that we want to use. Now a nice thing about this too is that users can create a crop profile so that it can be retained within the software and reverted to anytime that's required. So let's just save this as our shoe crop. We're going to see here it's been saved. And maybe let's create one more crop. We'll just save it maybe as a square crop here. So there we've drew our crop on the screen here. We're just going to call it square crop. So we just created two crop profiles here so that anytime we need to revert back to, say, our shoe crop, we select that from the drop down here, and that will be automatically applied on the live view window. So again, this is a pretty powerful tool that when shooting 360 product photography, you can go ahead and get started with the process, and you're going to see that it retains that crop for every single image over the 360 set, again, so you're not having to do that in your post-production. The software is called Shutterstream 360 Product Photography Software. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.